So I got it on this condition. Well, check this one out. Iba na ang itsura niya, no? Hey there everyone, Claymore here, and I'm back with another video about, of course, a blade fresh from Bujol, from Bohol. Recently, I traveled to Siquijor via Bohol, so I had some spare time sa Bohol, and like my previous travels, parang hindi mo kumpleto yung yung travel ko pag hindi ako nakakuha ng souvenir blade. I got this one from Bohol Blades. Yan siya. I have come across Bohol Blades sa Facebook some time ago, but hindi ako nakapag-order or hindi ako nakabili ng blade sa kanila. So, timing naman na napunta tayo ng Bohol, and I really made it a point na talagang mapuntahan ko yung shop nila. I was staying in Panglao, and the shop is in Tagbilaran. So, some like 45 minutes drive going there. So, pinuntahan natin, and I saw their blade displays. Quite interesting. Mga traditional blades nila. But the problem is, when I reached there and inquired, wala yung may-ari, wala yung mga mag-asawang may-ari. Ang natira lang doon ay yung kasambahay na wala namang idea kung about sa mga blades. Wala ring tag price, wala ring prices ba na nakalagay sa mga blades. So, it was kind of disappointed. Kasi, I drove all the way there, and then I was hoping to buy a blade, and then wala tayong nabitbit. So sabi ko, if pagbalik namin from Siquijor, pag may time uli, babalikan ko lang. Kasi hindi talaga ako nakabili. I don't know, kung may display sana sa shop ninyo, di ba? Lagyan mo ng price, or I don't know, kahit naka-tape lang yan eh. So nung bumalik ako, andun yung wife nung may-ari at saka yung anak niya. So we had a short chat. Unfortunately, wala yung si Sir, yung talagang may-ari. Mas magandang chika sana rin. Actually, nag-inform ako sa kanya na pupunta ako that day, but then wala pa rin siya. So itong nabili ko doon, this is a tawag lang ay bungay blade. Bungay utility bolo, machete, something like that. Kasi may mga malalaki din na sizes nito eh. So, bungay, presenting to you Bungay o Bungay Baji o Bohol Blades. Specifications natin, and blade niya ay nasa 11.5 including the ricasso. Ang cutting edge niya ay nasa 10 lang. A handle of 5 inches. I believe this blade is made of Moulier. It's got a hidden tang na may pin na copper rod. Ang handle ay made of carabao horn with a brass ferrule. So, sheet niya ay gawa sa langka na kahoy. I bought this one for 3,000 pesos. Price-wise, okay naman. I cannot complain with the state of the knife na nakuha natin. Sinabi lang din ng taga Bohol, guna. Yung bungay ay yung guna. Yung pag gardening ka, pang tanggal ng damo, ganun. But this one is a more elongated one. So, putol din sa dulo, pero naka-bevel siya. So, chisel grind siya, isang side lang ang naka-bevel. Sa loob, sa kabila, wala na. So, this is for a right-handed user. The balance is good, no? Magandang gamitin ito. Handle is medyo slippery siya and may kanto. So what I intend to do is to improve this one. I would like this to be carved by one of the guys. Yun, masaya tayo at nakabit-bit tayo ng knife from Bohol Blades, but I really wish that they have been more accommodating sana, especially for a hardcore blade guy. Nag-effort din Twice tayong pabalik-balik doon sa area nila. Anyway, I had fun chatting with this young guy, anak nila, who seems to be very interested with blades and other, cool stuff. So, I hope one day I get to see him here in Davao. I can show him around sa mga things that interests him. As per the blade, quality-wise, it's okay. It's not very aesthetic, I should say, to be honest. It's very basic na basic, Nothing so spectacular except that this is a very basic blade and it would be very functional, I'm sure. And so, yeah, thank you very much, Ball Blades, for allowing me to purchase. So, I have decided na pakialaman ko itong blade na ito and make it special. So, I had another artisan do some carvings to improve the looks. So, ito nga, naisip ko na design. It's a ram's horn. Parang ram's horn shell na design na ginawa natin dito sa may handle. So, ngayon nakalabaw kasi ito. So, it's good for carving. So, palaban naman yung bata natin na si June Michael Kipanes ng Dangkagan, Bukidnon. At ito ang naging resulta ng carving niya. Take a look at that. Ooh, ganda, di ba? Intricate details of this carving. Magaling talaga yung si June. And then sa scabbard, tinanggal ko yung parang line dito na design niya. Wala naman yun eh. So, instead, I had a skull of a ram. Yun. Ganda, di ba? Ganda ng pagkaukit. Probably I'll i-blowtorch ko ito siguro para mangitim yung surface para mas ma-highlight yung carving niya. May konting tribal design dito sa baba. So definitely a one of a kind piece na. Hindi na siya kagaya dun sa mga naka-display sa shop nila at naka-display sa online na nasa page nila, na binibenta. Because this one's different now. It's even more comfortable to hold. Kasi ito talagang sasabit yung pinky mo dito. So this will really help in the retention. This one has good traction also pag hinawakan natin because of these ribbings. Ganda ng pagkagawa. So yun, this will be included in my blade collections, especially those that I have acquired from my travels. So I think that's about it. Thank you for watching. Stay safe everyone, stay sharp, and of course subscribe naman tayo dyan.